This is just a quick recording on how to set up a running head and page numbers for your research report or essay. And the procedure is the same for both. What we've got here is a document set up in Microsoft Word. I've already started working on it, so there's a title page here and then there's an abstract. If I just zoom in on that first page, the header is the top part of the page. So we need to access the header in order to start typing in the running head and also to insert in the page number. To access it, we go to the Insert menu item, scroll across until we find Header, click on that, then scroll down until we come to Edit Header. And when you click on the Edit Header, then the cursor is placed in the header area of the page. To get out of that area, what you can do is just press on the Escape button and then it moves you back to the main part of the document. If you double click on the header area near the top of the page like that, then you will also be able to access that header area. And so that's usually a much easier way of going about it. Once you're in this area, it's first important to check the option Different First Page. So it's up here. You need to have a tick mark next to that because you need a different header on your first page compared to the rest of the document. So make sure there's a tick mark there. Next, go to page number. Click on that. Then go to the top of page option. Scroll down until you come to plain number 3 and then click on that. So what you want is your page number to be on the flush right-hand side of the margin, like we've got here. Once we've got that, we can type in the words running head, like that. Then we can type in the actual header that we want to use. So for this type of report, that's on the effects of sleep deprivation on memory recall, we could use the words sleep deprivation as our header. We could also use sleep deprivation and memory as well. Your header can be a maximum of 50 characters long, and that includes all spaces and punctuation. If you then click on or press the tab button a couple of times, it'll push the running head all the way to the left-hand side. So now we have the running head flush on the left and the page number here flush on the right. If we scroll down to go to the header on the second page, here where the abstract is, then you'll see that there's no header there because we've got the option selected of Different First Page. So place your cursor mark there, then follow the same process, insert our page number, it's plain number 3, that's placed all the way on the right hand side, and then we type in our running head. This time you don't type in the words running head, but you just simply go straight to and type in the actual running head that you used before. So it needs to be exactly the same as what you used. So there we go, sleep deprivation and memory on both. Lastly, what you probably want to do is just to check that you've got the right font. So if you've used Times New Roman font for your main document, then there's a chance that a different font, and maybe even a different font size, has been used for your running head. So we want to check that. So here it's got a different font. So I want this to be Times New Roman 12-point font. So I'll change that there for my first page, and then I'll do that same process for the second page as well. So it's all nice and consistent between the font used on the header and page number versus the font used on the rest of the document. So then that's how you set up your running head and page numbers in a document.